on our way, made our hearts feel as strong as the African day. Bye bye December, African rain. The long gone summer has passed and I hear the owls calling my name. The firelight just danced its last across your face, my friend. And though I love you, I somehow know this is gonna be the end. Now the sun has disappeared and all that remains an old tin mug and a photograph. So wipe away those tears and remember the good times. Standing on the earth, the moon is rising. Somewhere in the world, spirit flying. Standing on the earth, the leaves are falling, taking us away. I never knew whom I could love more, you or the land, till I stood lost upon that shore, naked and alone. Bye bye December, African rain. The long gone summer has passed and I hear the owls calling my name. The firelight just danced its last across your face, my friend. And though I love you, I somehow know this is gonna be the end. 'Cause all the birds have flown away, the night is closing in. It's so hard to say goodbye to eyes as old as yours, my friend. Where did the time go? Can you tell me where did the time go? Where did the time go? Can you tell me where did the time go? Where did the time go? Can you tell me where did the time go? Time, life, show. Life, time, go. Time, life, show. Where did the time go? Can you tell me where did the time go? Where did the time go?